we're here today at Oil States in Heartlands. Oil States are a manufacturer of components for the underwater oil and gas industry. We're here to carry out a filter change on their shot blast filter unit, as it was picked up during a recent thorough examination and test that the cartridges were becoming caked and were due to get replaced. So when we carry out a thorough examination and test of the LEV system, there's various checks that we'll do to identify the condition of the filters. One of those checks is a visual check, where we'll open up the chamber, have a look at the filters, see what condition they're in. We'll also conduct quantitative tests where we will record measurements, which would be your clean and dirty measurements, to identify the differential pressure. We'd also record airflow measurements within the ducting to identify if the velocity within the ducting is capable of controlling the contamination which is being created within the shot blast chamber. So when carrying out a filter change on an LEV system, one of the biggest things to consider would be the health and safety aspect of it. That would include access and egress, getting things like a permit to work carried out, risk assessments, method statements. All of that has to be carried out prior to conducting the filter change. Another thing we'll do when we attend the site is we'll have a look at the surrounding area, make sure there's no hazards or anything that might get in the way of us doing the filter change. There's various components that should be maintained to ensure that you've got optimal performance of your filter cartridges. One of the big things is the filter cleaning device. On this system here, we've got a pulse cleaning system. That's where compressed air blasts through the middle of the cartridges to remove any excess contamination that's built up. One of the things to check is the correct air pressure, ensuring that the pressure's adequate to clean the filters, but it's not too much where it's going to damage the filters as well. You've also got to check things like the diaphragms, ensure there's no air leaks, and make sure the frequency of the pulse cleaning is correct to ensure the filters are cleaning to the best efficiency possible. If you feel that your LEV is underperforming, please get in touch with the team here at EFS. We'd be more than happy to help.